Tired of your unlimited plan feeling more like a limited plan? Let's dive into US Mobile's new unlimited premium plan to see if it's the real deal. First, let's talk data. US Mobile promises truly unlimited premium data on this plan, meaning no throttling, even after you've used a ton of data. We'll be testing these speeds later in the video, so stick around to see the results. How does this plan stack up? Many carriers advertise unlimited, but secretly throttle you. After a certain point, US Mobile is aiming to set itself apart by offering truly unlimited high-speed data. Plus, they are offering the best data coverage, using both Verizon and mobile towers. Beyond data, the unlimited premium plan comes loaded with perks. Think generous hotspot data, which is great for working on the go, international roaming to stay connected abroad, and even options to bundle in subscriptions to services like Spotify and HBO Max. Now, the big question: pricing. US Mobile's plan is competitively priced, and what is interesting is you can get discounts if you add more lines to your account, making it a great option for families. You can also get a discount by paying a year in advance. Time for the speed test. We put the US Mobile Unlimited Premium plan through its paces, and the results were impressive. Consistently high download and upload speeds. We streamed videos, downloaded large files, and video called friends without any issues. The US Mobile app is super user-friendly, allowing you to manage your plan, track your data usage, and contact customer support with ease. So, the verdict: US Mobile's unlimited premium plan is a strong contender if you are looking for true unlimited data, a competitive price, and valuable perks. While no plan is perfect, the pros of this plan outweigh the cons. Ready to ditch your limited unlimited plan? Head over to usmobile.com to learn more and sign up today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mobile plan reviews.